Hello friends, in this video we will talk about a new topic, that is the perineum, and we will start with the first topic in that is the perineal pouch, the superficial and the deep perineal pouch. So first we'll deal with the superficial pouch in the male and female, the same with the deep also. This is the superficial pouch in the male. So in the male you are finding here the deep and the superficial pouch, here the perineal body and the membrane, this green color. This is the Colles fascia, and we know very well this is the Dartos muscle, that is the Camper's fascia. From here we are getting the Scarpa's fascia that covers the penis, that is the fascia of the penis or the Buck's fascia. Okay, this is in the male. Now this will be in the female. So in the female we have the dorsal vein of the penis, the perineal ligament, or I would say perineal ligament, the pubic ligament. This is the vagina, urethra and the perineal body. Let's see the deep pouches now. This is for the male, okay? Right, we'll compare male and female. Okay, so here you are finding the urinary bladder, okay, the prostate gland, right? This is the bulb of the penis, here covered by bulbospongiosus muscle, okay. This is the superficial fascia of the urogenital or superior fascia of urogenital diaphragm. This is the levator ani muscle, obturator internus, sphincter urethrae muscle, and this is the pudendal artery, dorsal nerve of the penis, okay. Then you are finding the bulbourethral or simply Cowper's glands, okay. This is the Colles fascia, this is the ischiocavernosus muscle, the crux, this orange color you are seeing in this space, that is called crux of the penis, okay. And these are the scrotal vessels and nerves, okay. Right, now we will compare the same with the female, okay. So here just compare what we are finding. In the female we'll have the cervix and vagina, but here we had the urinary bladder. There is no prostate gland in the female, okay. Here you are finding the dorsal nerve of clitoris, here it is penis, okay. And we'll try to spot perineal membrane is there, okay. And what else? Let's try to spot out the vestibule, the vestibular gland and the bulb. Here we have the bulb of the penis instead, covered by the bulbospongiosus. The two muscles which we said for male, the same will be in the female also. This is the crux of the clitoris, here will be for the penis, okay. Right. Okay, and then afterwards, we have the posterior labial nerves and vessels. Here we have the scrotal vessels, okay. Right, and this is the labia majora and minora. Here we have just Colles fascia, okay. So that was the comparison, the deep pouches of male and female, okay. So it's easy, just remember what are the key important parts of the male and female. There will be some major portion which will be same, only some parts will differ, okay. Right. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.